Hello and greetings everyone, it's me Mandeep. First of all, thank you for showing interest in this course. In this course, you will learn how to use Kage, the Metasploit payload GUI, and you will learn how to create backdoors and control the victim machine. First of all, I would like to talk about Kage. Kage is a tool inspired by a myth designed for Metasploit RPC server to interact with Metasploit session and generate payloads. Now, who is this course for? This course is for the beginners who want to stay foot in cybersecurity world, for script kiddies, and for those who want to learn how to create backdoors in the different system using specific tool. In this course, I will be specifically using Kage tool. What we will learn in this course? We will learn how to install Kage, how to create backdoor and control victim on Windows 10 with Kage, how to create backdoor and control victim on Windows 7 PC, and how to create backdoor and control victim on Android device. So thank you for having me, and let's meet in the course.